Hey guys, it's Mr. Williams. Just want to go over a couple of things for you regarding your PBL Discover a Scientist project, just so that nobody's confused. Earlier this week on Monday, you should have started right here, and you did your initial review of the project. You got into your new groups, you chose your teams, and you have your new roles. For the March 1st discussion posts, you should have posted down here already each person that's in the group, and you should also have each person in the group provide one comment about something that's the most significant accomplishment of your scientist that you've chosen. And so make sure you've posted down there. Right now we've just got one post. Alright, for today, if I go back to the Unit 3 folder, you're doing the March 3rd to do discussion post. So obviously, if you haven't noticed it yet, you're going to have one of these for each of the days that you meet while I'm out. So for March 3rd, that's today. Today you're going to be using the Gale science databases that are found in MAckinVia to conduct your research. To make things easy, I put some buttons and icons down here that you can just click on. The top three, or the two that I think will work best for you, are these two right here, the Gale Science in Context, Gale 1 file. Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints is good as well. So I would use these buttons right here. So to show you that, if I click on Gale in Context, you should get transported directly to that database. If you get prompted for a password, the password is DODEA, but if you're at school, you should get quick access with no password since we're on the school's internet. Let's say I'm studying Charles Darwin. I can start typing in Charles. It'll self-populate or auto-populate, and there's information on Charles Darwin. Today your goal is to find 4 sources total in the group on your featured scientist using the Gale in Context database, not using Wikipedia or Google search engine to do your research. We want to get credible sources from these databases here. So you can see there's featured content, there's academic journals, there's experiments that Darwin did, there's biographies, there's video clips, news articles, magazine articles. So there's tons and tons of information here that is already credible. So let's say I'm going to use this article right here, Darwinism. Let's say I'm reading this and I like what I see here, and I'm going to use some of this in my research. You can see there's some familiar buttons up here. You can download it to the computer, you can print it, you can email it to yourself, but notice here that you can send it to your Google Drive. So once you find the article that you want, send it to your Google Drive, and it'll say that the documents have been sent to the Google Drive and will appear shortly. So then go back and check in your Google Drive for those documents. I want you guys all to put your documents in that same Google Drive folder that you created on Monday. So you should have a Google Drive folder for the entire group where everybody has shared access to it, where we're dumping all our files in there to be shared. Today, after you've done that, I want you to, in the comment box, post the link to your Google Drive folder that you created for the group so I can take a look in there. So make sure that it's shared with me when you share that folder, and don't share it with anybody else so that people don't accidentally click on your link and get access to your files, right? So make that only viewable to me. Don't make it editable, and don't make it so that you can comment, right? All the handouts that you're writing your research on should be in your notebook. You're going to have these to turn in on the day that the project is due. So I hope that helps. If you access this from home, again, Dodea is the password. Here's the MAckinVia portal that you can also get to. It just takes a couple more clicks to get to the databases. So I made these 3 buttons here for you to make it easy. Again, focus on using the Gale in Context one today, or one file, or opposing viewpoints for doing your research. All right, I look forward to seeing your guys' research and your final products, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.